The 2024 Porsche 911 Carrera GTS is an exciting addition to the Porsche lineup, blending the timeless appeal of the 911 with cutting-edge hybrid technology. This ultimate performance sports car delivers exceptional driving dynamics, advanced features, and unparalleled style. Let's delve into what makes the 2024 Porsche 911 Carrera GTS stand out. Exterior design. The 2024 Porsche 911 Carrera GTS maintains the iconic silhouette that has made the 911 a legend. The sleek and aerodynamic body is enhanced by distinctive GTS styling cues, including wider fenders, a sporty front fascia, and unique GTS badging. The rear sports an integrated light bar and quad exhaust tips, emphasizing its performance pedigree. Large air intakes and active aerodynamics, including a retractable rear spoiler, ensure optimal airflow and stability at high speeds. The GTS sits on 20-inch front and 21-inch rear alloy wheels wrapped in high-performance tires, offering both a striking look and excellent grip. Interior comfort and luxury. Inside, the 2024 911 Carrera GTS offers a luxurious yet sporty cabin. High-quality materials such as leather, alcantara, and carbon fiber trim create an upscale environment. The GTS features sport seats with enhanced bolstering, providing excellent support during spirited driving while remaining comfortable for long journeys. The driver-focused cockpit includes a multifunction steering wheel with paddle shifters, allowing for precise control. The center console is dominated by a high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system, seamlessly integrating navigation, media, and vehicle settings. Advanced technology. The 2024 911 Carrera GTS comes equipped with Porsche's latest technology to enhance the driving experience. The Porsche Communication Management (PCM) system features a large touchscreen interface with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice control. The system also offers real-time traffic updates and a premium sound system for an immersive audio experience. For added convenience, the GTS includes keyless entry, push-button start, and a customizable digital instrument cluster that provides critical driving information at a glance. A suite of driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and parking sensors, enhances safety and ease of use. Hybrid performance. Under the hood, the 2024 911 Carrera GTS boasts a powerful hybrid powertrain that combines a twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter flat-six engine with an electric motor. This setup produces a combined output of 473 horsepower and 420 pound-feet of torque, delivering blistering acceleration and impressive fuel efficiency. The hybrid system includes a lithium-ion battery pack that allows for limited all-electric driving, ideal for urban environments. The power is delivered through an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission (PDK), ensuring lightning-fast gear changes and seamless power delivery. Driving dynamics. Porsche is renowned for its driving dynamics, and the 2024911 Carrera GTS is no exception. The hybrid powertrain provides instant torque, enhancing acceleration and responsiveness. The GTS features Porsche Active Suspension Management, PASM, which adjusts the damping force in real time to provide optimal handling and ride comfort. Rear axle steering and Porsche Torque Vectoring Plus, PTV Plus, further enhance agility and stability, especially during high-speed cornering. The GTS also includes a Sport Chrono package with dynamic engine mounts, enabling drivers to tailor the car's performance characteristics to their preference. Efficiency and sustainability. The hybrid system in the 911 Carrera GTS not only boosts performance but also improves efficiency. The regenerative braking system recovers energy during deceleration, helping to recharge the battery. This results in lower fuel consumption and reduced emissions, aligning with Porsche's commitment to sustainability. Drivers can choose from multiple driving modes, including an all-electric mode for zero-emission driving and a hybrid mode that optimizes the balance between performance and efficiency. Safety and driver assistance. Safety is paramount in the 2024911 Carrera GTS. The car is equipped with advanced safety features such as adaptive headlights, a 360-degree camera system, and automatic emergency braking. The Porsche Stability Management, PSM, system ensures the car remains composed under various driving conditions. Additional driver assistance systems, such as blind spot monitoring, traffic sign recognition, and night vision assist, provide an extra layer of security and convenience, making everyday driving safer and more enjoyable. Conclusion. The 2024 Porsche 911 Carrera GTS represents the pinnacle of hybrid performance sports cars. It combines the legendary design and driving dynamics of the 911 with innovative hybrid technology, offering a unique blend of power, efficiency, and luxury. Whether on the track or the open road, the 911 Carrera GTS delivers an exhilarating driving experience that is both thrilling and responsible. For those seeking the ultimate performance car with a nod to the future, the 2024911 Carrera GTS is a compelling choice.